If anything could ignite your inner soul as much as it invigorates you upon arrival, it's the 2025 BMW M5. The new M5 is significantly larger, measuring 4.2 inches longer, 2.7 inches wider, and 1.4 inches taller, with a wheelbase extended by 0.9 inches. This size increase has purpose, as the 2025 BMW M5 is now a plug-in hybrid with an estimated electric-only range of 25 miles. This seventh generation of the M5 is the most powerful yet, boasting a staggering 717 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque, far surpassing the previous model's 600 horsepower and 553 pound-feet. However, there's a caveat. The 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 alone produces 577 horsepower, with the difference made up by a potent electric motor that adds 194 horsepower and 207 pound-feet of torque. Integrated into the 8-speed automatic transmission with a patented pre-gearing stage, this motor can contribute up to 332 pound-feet, allowing a more compact motor to perform the role of a larger one. A 14.8 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery powers the electric motor, delivering an estimated 25 miles of all-electric range when electric mode is selected via the M Hybrid button. The default hybrid mode intelligently balances power from the engine and electric motor, optimized by the driver's selection of Comfort, Sport, or Sport Plus. In Sport and Sport Plus, the engine remains active, whereas in Comfort, it may not. Another mode, E-Control, conserves battery power for later use, particularly advantageous in European cities with congestion charges for combustion engine vehicles. All that power reaches the road through BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, which features an electronically controlled multi-plate clutch in a reinforced transfer case designed to manage the hybrid's additional torque. The standard 4WD mode provides a rear-wheel drive bias, which becomes more pronounced in 4WD Sport. For an even sportier drive, drivers can select 2WD mode with stability control disabled, ideal for track settings. On German back roads, the M5's hybrid mode set to Sport delivers quick, seamless response without noticeable turbo lag, as the electric motor fills in where necessary. On the Autobahn, the motor contributes impressive power all the way up to 160 miles per hour, with traffic being the only limitation on reaching the M5's 190 miles per hour top speed, available with the M-Drivers package, which raises the cap from 155 miles per hour. Throughout, the Steptronic 8-speed automatic shifts smoothly with near-imperceptible gear changes, a flawless powertrain experience. However, the added weight may mean that this new M5 could be slightly slower in 0 to 60 miles per hour and quarter-mile times than the previous M5 competition's 2.7 and 10.8 seconds, respectively. In action, the M5 maintains a smooth ride over Germany's few bumps, clinging to corners with impeccable precision. Despite its substantial 5,390-pound weight, over 1,100 pounds more than the previous M5, the car shows minimal body roll thanks to a lower center of gravity achieved by placing the battery low and centrally. The optional carbon ceramic brakes offer smooth, powerful stopping force without any grabbiness. The only drawback was occasional lightness in the steering, which may have been influenced by the rear steering system. If weight reduction is a concern, two options can help bring down the M5's curb weight. The $3,100 carbon package replaces the Sky Lounge panoramic roof with an M carbon roof, saving around 66 pounds, while the $8,500 million carbon ceramic brakes save another 55 pounds and increase thermal capacity. The interior, while well-equipped, may require a bit of a learning curve due to the many adjustable settings, displayed across a nearly continuous 12.3-inch driver display and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen. Although not as intuitive as in the BMW XM, the interface offers extensive customization. The BMW M5's potential remains as thrilling as ever, even if it takes some exploration to unlock its full capabilities. Priced at $120,675, just $8,780 more than the 2023 M5, the 2025 model is a strong value given its horsepower increase and the option for 25 miles of all-electric driving.